Mom, I need this one. It's very beautiful. I like it so much.
Let me see, Ali. Wow, it's so beautiful. Shall we buy this?
This shirt and that pants.
Aisha, have you selected?
Yes, Mom.
Please pack all of this.
Anything else?
It's enough.
Ma, I need this one too.
Huh? Which one?
I need this shirt too.
We already bought one. That's enough, Ali.
I want this too.
Mom, why can't we return the first one and have this?
I need both shirts.
Ali, you can take only one shirt. Don't buy unnecessarily.
I want this too. I want this too. I want that shirt.
What happened to Ali? Why is he so gloomy?
He's obstinate to get two shirts. He will not specify until he get what he needs. Shall we buy this one too?
No. If we buy things when the children show obstinacy, that will make them grouch. I will solve it. You may purchase what you need. Aha, Ali? Are you sitting here? Which is the shirt did you select? Come on, show me. Allah.
This one and that one.
We came to purchase dress for Eid, isn't it? Which shirt do you like to wear on Eid day, Ali?
This one.
Then this one?
That also.
Oh. Are you going to masjid on this Eid by wearing two shirts? Ali, are you my good boy? So which shirt you need from this?
This one.
Very good. Please pack this neatly. It's for my lovely son to wear on Eid.